Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Konica Minolta printer to Wi-Fi. Start by going to your printer's main control panel. On the screen, look for the menu or utility button. Tap on it to open the settings options. This is where you will find all the configuration tools for your printer. Next, you need to log in as an administrator. On the screen, select Admin Settings. The printer will ask for a password. Enter the administrator password carefully, then press OK to continue. Once you are inside the admin settings, look for the network option. Tap on Network and then find Wireless Network Setting. This is where you will set up the Wi-Fi connection. Now tap on Manual Settings. The printer will begin searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a few seconds until the list appears. Find your Wi-Fi name from the list and tap on it. After selecting your network, you will see a field to enter the password. Tap on the security key or password field. Carefully type in your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure there are no mistakes, then press OK. Now apply the settings. The printer will try to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Give it a moment to complete the process. Once connected, check the connection status on the screen. Thanks for watching.